All right, hello Adobe Illustrators. So this is lesson 7 and this is really up to you. So what you're going to do is use all of the tools that we've learned so far to create a robot. And the more detailed your robot is, the better. So I would start with something like the shaper tool, which is right here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, shaper tool. And now you want to create, wow, that is a crazy square. Ah, it came out nice. Okay, you want to create something that might be a little too big. Let's try that again. That's got a lot of detail to it. So this is not how you want your robot to look, because you know everybody just thinks, whoops, that did not work. Everybody thinks, oh, a basic robot, it's got legs, it's got a head, and it's got some arms. One little shortcut, I'm going to make the same arm over here, so I'm going to use the selection tool here. Command C, Command V to make the same exact robot arm. This is really, really boring. This is your basics. Let's go way beyond this. What can your robot look like? Can you add new shapes to it? Let's see if I add a, a circle to it. Let's select that. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. You know, what can I do with all of these things? I like this shaper tool a lot. This is, that's not what I wanted to do. This is one of my favorite tools here, is using the shaper tool. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, so now my robot is getting a little bit more detail. Now we want to spend a lot of time on this robot. We want to make it look pretty cool. So, you know, the basics just aren't going to cut it here. You want to really go above and beyond on your robot. So quick review of tools that we have: the shaper tool. We've also got the rectangle tool and all of these tools underneath it, including the star tool and the polygon tool. Ellipse tool, don't forget, you're going to hold down the shift key while you drag out the ellipse tool to make it a perfect circle. We've got this crazy pen tool that you need a lot of patience to work with. Let's connect those together there. What else did we look at? We looked at the paintbrush tool, our favorites, and the blob brush. So you would be able to, with your pen tool, make it thinner, or your stylus, make it thinner and thicker. I don't think it's set for pressure. Let's change that. Bring that size down. It is on pressure. Let's bring the variation up. Maybe this guy's got a beard here. Our robot's got a beard. No, that does not look good. So let's Command Z that. He does not look good with a beard. My robot does not have a beard. Okay, let's make a crazy robot. Let's see how detailed you can get.